everyone! I-unbox yung ating mga gifts. At ito pa yung sa akin. What is this? A dripper. Coffee dripper. Wow, dishwashing. It's soap, ivory soap. Hindi sa akin ito. Ivory soap. And this one is from Ate Ching, from Jennifer B. Ano ba laman na? Ah, it's a Titman Smooth. Shampoo. This is a dishwashing. About this one from Chingbi. Sagada drip coffee, tamang-tama yung binigay na Ate ko. Tamang-tama dito guys, makadam niya. Drip coffee, yan, tamang-tama dito guys. May partner na yung coffee dripper, ayan. Coffee dripper, may partner na siya. I have 3 sachets of coffee dripper. Another one. I have 2 boxes of coffee. From Nimpa. Merry Christmas, Nimpa. Oh, what's this? Wow! Wow, I have Pistida. Ay, kato. Binigyan ka nila ito? Ganun. Another one is, what's this? Ano to? Hand wash. Ay, hindi ko nakikita yung regalo na. Ayun, this one is biscuits. Binuksan na yung wrapper. Biscuits. Another one is from Connect. Ala, pareho rin din yung binibili sa akin. Nikwan? Hindi na yun. Ay, kating, ay. Wow, towel. Bigyan mo ako, babe. Ibigyan lang yung video. A towel, a set of towel. Para ikot dito. Set of towel. The other one is birthday. Birthday! Hello! Happy birthday! From? Sino nakalagay dito? Yun na. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan na yung binirigalo sa akin ni Alma. What's this? This is another wow, a set of lotion, hand soap, and what's this? Black currant cedar wood body wash. Yeah. This one is para sa ito. Ayan, basta a lotion, a set of lotion. Another set of lotion from Alma. Yeah, Alma, from Alma. Thank you so much. This one was this. Nasaan na yung one yung pabango? Where is the pabango? Thank you so much sa mga nagbigay na regalo. Ano to? Get mo my scissor, Ben. Ben. Dea?
Mommy, there's no scissor. Wala pong scissor.
Where's the scissor? Dahil nandun na kasi ako.
Right. Wait lang pa.
A set of plate. Serving plate. Serving plate. And the other is the Victoria's Secret. Where is the laman? Ito lang.
Kabango. Pension.
Guys, and the other one is wow, my shirt. Yes, may partner din na aking dress. And this was the pabango. Yes, pabango. Kasi ipin ko kung pati yung picture na wala. And yan. From ano to? Yan, that's all guys. Nagkalat na. Si Agbiag Vlog. And this one, the other one is here. Another gift. Another gift. Another gift is, what's this? I soap to go. Something. Soap to go. Yes, soap to go. There are 8 pieces. Yeah, guys. Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you for watching my unboxing my gift. This is Agbiag Vlog. #Conce. Thank you, guys. Kalat na ang ating Agbiag Vlog. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye-bye 2024 and welcome 2025. God bless and more blessings to come. Good health always and God bless you. Bye-bye. Saan na ba si Miska? Saan na? Hawakan mo muna. Mag-goodbye muna ako. Dali mo. Ayan guys. Bye-bye everyone. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. This is Agbiag Vlog, #Conce. Welcome 2025. Bye-bye, everyone.